Good evening, guys.
Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
How are you? Guys. Yesterday we almost done some numericals related to compound angles and some multiple and some multiple angles and all the things. Anyway, this topic is belong to second semester, so we'll hold the numericals over on this. Again, in revision, we will do many more numericals. Anyway, textbook point of view we done. Today we are going to wind up the trigonometry with the last topic, trigonometric equations. First of all, we have to know what is meant by equation, guys. What is the difference between an equation and an expression? Anyone can give this simple difference? What is meant by an equation and an expression? Anyone? Anyone from class?
Equation has
What is the difference
equal
between
to
an
0.
Yes, it is equating to some other expression or some other value or some other thing. You are equating to something, correct?
Yes.
Then what about an expression? It's like a mathematical statement. It doesn't have any particular solution, correct? It doesn't have any particular solution. One second, guys. I think I'm not at shared the screen. Yeah. Yes. Suppose if I'm taking 3x plus 4y and 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. What is the difference between these two? It's like a simple mathematical statement and it is an equation. It's like an expression. The expression doesn't have any limitations. You can substitute x is equal to 1, correspondingly y is equal to 1 to infinity. You can substitute, you can get this expression having many values for different set of x and y. So suppose same x is equal to, I can take y is equal to 1 to infinity, x is equal to 3, I can take y is equal to 0 to infinity, x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0 to infinity. So from 0 to infinity of x values, I can take different combinations of 0 to infinity of y values. But it is not like that. Here the x and y values are bounded. Suppose if I am taking x is equal to 1, there will be only one particular value of y can be exist to prove this statement. Am I right or wrong, guys? Might be it is having infinity solutions, but it is bounded to particular x comma y values only. It is not like previously. So this is having some fixed solution for a set of x and y. Suppose if I'm giving the another equation with this, then I'm having only one set of equation. These two equations is called set of simultaneous equation. Clear guys what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
So if I'm giving a linear equation, if I'm asking you to solve, suppose if I'm giving the equation, if I'm asking you to solve, in this case, x is having many solutions. There is no concept of solving here because it is not equating to anything. Whenever we are equating to something, then only I can define what is the possible value of x. But this is a statement. This statement can have many outputs. But when I'm saying this 4x plus 3 is equal to 0, there is a limitation for x. The x is equal to minus 3 by 4. There will be only one x value will exist here. Suppose if I'm saying 4x plus 3y is equal to 5. So solve for x and y. Here, for if I am putting x is equal to 1, then y value is equal to 5 minus 4 by 3. If I am putting x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 minus 8 by 3. So there are different set of x comma y values are existing here. So the equation may have one solution or many solutions based on the state of that equation, how it is given. So in algebra, we will take if I'm having two variables, I need two equations to solve it. So you already done in pair of linear equations in two variable linear equations in 8th standard. But when it comes to cyclic functions, it is little different. All our trigonometric ratios are cyclic functions. What are the values are repeating from 0 to 360 degrees? The same values are repeating for next 360 degrees to 720 degrees. First of all, what is meaning of trigonometric equations? Suppose if I am taking an algebraic expression or an algebraic equation, this is a an equation of quadratic equation where the variable is x. If your variable is a trigonometric ratio, if your variable is a trigonometric ratio, then it is called trigonometric equations. Suppose I have tan x is equal to 0, tan x whole square is equal to 0, or 2 tan x plus secant x is equal to 0. It's a function of x, but it's not actually a function of x. It's a function of tan and secant. Trigonometric functions together, I am subtracting or multiplying and equating to some value. These expressions are called, these statements are called trigonometric equations. Is it clear, guys, what I'm saying? What is the meaning of trigonometric equations? Students, is it clear what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yeah. Anyone can define what is the trigonometric equation in your own language in a different way. Anyone can try. What is meant by trigonometric equations? What is meant by trigonometric equations? Simply, I can say an equation involve trigonometric ratios or trigonometric equations. An equation involving trigonometric ratios. An equation involving trigonometric functions, not trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions is called trigonometric equations. Simple. When I am giving a trigonometric equation, the set of all possible results is called solution set of that particular equation. Next one is, when it comes to solution of trigonometric equation, what you have to keep in mind when it comes to solution of the trigonometric equation. What is the meaning of solving the trigonometric equation? The set of all the values of x, set of all the values of x or theta, generally we will take x, y or theta, which satisfy, I'm not taking theta because I'm going to define, which satisfy a trigonometric equation f of x is equal to 0 is called general solution or solution set of, or general solution or solution set of f of x is equal to 0. Suppose if I am giving some tan x is equal to, what are the possible values of x? If I am substituting in the tan, the answer should be 0. Is it clear? Now, here, to understand why we are taking this thing, you will understand only in +2. The statement. First, I am writing the statement. What is the need of this statement? For inverse functions concept, this is required for us, but that's the reason we are giving a separate statement. Principal solution. Principal solution is particular range of values only we are in. Cyclic functions are repeating the same values and again. Particular range of domain only we are taking the solutions. Then those particular domain values we are considering as the principal solution. There exists a unique value of x in closed braces minus 5/2 interval, satisfying sin x is equal to k. Satisfying sin x is equal to k, where k belongs to R. So, anyone can change the host? Who is the host now? Guys, hold on a second. Meanwhile, understood what is the meaning of principal value? Amjani, Harshida, please, Raghav.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you
Then
repeat?
anyone, principal value means there is a particular interval. Whatever the values are repeating in that interval, it will repeat in next interval also. Suppose if I am taking for sine, all the values of, like, what are the range values are repeating for sine? What is the range of sine? -1 to 1. Any value can come between -1 to 1. So no need to take 0 to 360. The sine value is the range of sine is -1 to 1, can repeat from -π/2 to +π/2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So,
Sir, are you presenting?
no, I am not host now. Yes, I'm not presenting. Just I was disconnected and I connected again. So I'm trying to call. Just hold on a second, guys. Oscar, கொஞ்சம் host change பண்ணுங்க. இல்ல எனக்கு டிஸ்கனெக்ட் ஆயிட்டு கனெக்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. Guys, yes. So there exists a unique value of x. Range of n is minus to 1. All the values are repeating from minus to. So what are the suppose between minus 5 by 2, the value will never repeat again. So to understand this, what is the principal solution? There is a difference between principal solution and general solution. General solution is all those for general. Principal solution means only one value will solution. Personally, it is given sign to what is the meaning of an angle in space? So taking an interval theta 1 2. Whatever the value is in, sir, value be only one output. Like that, you have to take the interval. So if you are expressing the result, if you are expressing the solution within that interval, so yes, I will tell the meaning of suppose y is equal to sin x. Trigonometric table. So it again was disconnected and connected. Sorry, guys. Today I don't know, some network issues. Again, somebody need to change the host. I'm checking who is the host. Yes, I'm on the host. Thank you. This is a graph of line between 0 to 360 degrees. So this is 0. This is 360 degrees. Guys, you will able to hear properly and able to see present students. Hello, hello, students able to hear?
Yes, sir.
Guys, so suppose if I am taking 0 to 180 for sine, I am taking first 0 to for the value is repeating. See here, if I am taking there is a value some angle, the same value is repeating here. Suppose if I am taking sine 30, I'm taking sine 30, it is exactly equal to sine 1. Check it. If I'm taking sine 45, it is exactly equal to sine 135. So if I'm taking sine 60, it is exactly equal to sine 120. So within 0 to 2 pi, the values are repeating. There is no unique values for each and every angle. Sorry for very inconvenience, guys. It's keep on disconnecting. Yeah. So what is trying to say about principles? Say, I have to take an interval in such way. I have to take an interval in such way. Suppose if I'm taking an interval, I'm using this one. What is the minimum and maximum value of the groups? Suppose if I'm taking the graph from here to here. Graph here to here. See here, this is the graph where there is no value of repeating. There are each and every angle has its unique value. Suppose if I'm taking any angle, it is having it doesn't have any like two angles doesn't have common value here, common output. Between minus pi by 2, between pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, the values are for each and every value there will be a unique solution. So this range is called, if I am expressing my value, my solution of the equation within this range, then it is called principal solution. Understand, guys, what I'm saying? Principal solution. Even this is also principal solution, but it is not a primary principal solution. More about this, we are going to discuss in a concept called inverse trigonometry. Inverse trigonometric functions. We will discuss a little more about this one. Understood what is the meaning of principal solution? Guys, please. Harshida, Amni, Raghav, please. Is it clear what is principal solution? There exists a value of x within this one. Next principal solution can be expressed in the form of within pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 next principal solution. Another next principal solution 3 pi by 2, 5 by 2. But for us, we are going to represent this is the prime. Discuss about the solution of sin x is in the range of minus 5 to 5. But if he is making one interval and asking the solution means you have to do only one unique value. But if he is asking the solution means from minus infinity degrees to plus infinity degrees, what are the possible solutions? You have to frame as a single statement. That's called general solution. General solution of values means if they are not mentioned any interval for sine, principal solution is -2 to pi2. So for there exists a u value of x in satisfying sin x is equal to k, unique value of x. So there is no other value of x which is giving k value. So each and every different value is different. What is the solution of sine? Same as anyone can explain the principal solution of cos x solution. Students, what is the principal solution? I will show the graph. At least from the graph, anyone can give the principal solution of cos. Equal to cos x. What is the principal solution? I can take pi by 2 to minus pi to 0. Yeah. Guys, anyone can explain what is the principal solution of a cos? Principal solution of cos. Principal solution of cos. How to explain? Raghav, what is the principal solution of cos? Students, please respond. What is the principal solution of cos? What is the principal solution of cos? Graph. I show the graph. What is the principal solution of cos? Guys, anyone? Anyone can explain what is the principal solution of cos? Students will able to hear? Am I audible? Guys, Kirtana, version, Vaishnavi, please.
Sir, you're audible, sir, but then I feel like your voice is breaking too much.
Yeah, just hold on 2 minutes, guys. I will try to reset the network. Now am I audible clearly, guys? Is there any break in my voice? Students, please.
Sir, it's fine now, sir.
Yeah. So how I can explain cos x principal solution? Cos x principal solution is a unique value exists such that 0 to pi. 0 to pi. So how to write the principal solution of the cos x? There exists a unique value of x in 0 to pi satisfying cos x is equal to k. Cos x is equal to k, where k belongs to R and modulus of k is less than or equal to 1. This value of x is called principal value of x or principal solution of cos x. Principal value of x or principal solution of cos x. Simple. Same as for tan x and cot x also we can define. For tan x, the principal solution is minus pi by 2 pi by 2. Because whatever the graph you are getting between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, the same graph you will get here. If you see the y is equal to tan x graph. See, this is a graph. Even if I am zooming out, also the graphs are similar graph. You will get minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So I am taking graph paper to the trigonometry. See, he will get. So minus, what are the graph I am getting? This is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. So there exists a unique value between minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2 for tan x is equal to k, where k is between minus infinity to plus infinity in closed solution. Here k range is for tan x is equal to k, where k is modulus of k is modulus of k I can't write. K belongs to R or minus infinity less than or equal to k less than or equal to plus infinity. It is in between minus infinity to plus infinity. These are the principal solutions of the different equations. So with the help of this, just we are jumping into the questions. Suppose if I am giving an equation, write the solution set of sin x. Write the solution set of sin x is equal to 0. That means he is asking general solution of sin x. Whenever they are asking the solution set, means generals. And include along with this, if I am asking, write the solution set of sin x and sin x is equal to 0 and its principal value, its principal solution. Is the question is clear, guys? First, the meaning of solution set of some equation. My equation is sin x is equal to 0. When sin x is equal to 0, guys, for what are the values of x, sin can be 0. Take the graph of sin x and let me know
0.
for what. 0 is only the solution.
No, sir.
Yeah. See, when you are getting at 0, I am getting at pi, I am getting at 2 pi, I am getting at 3 pi, I am getting at minus 2 pi, at minus 3 pi, and all these over places I am getting. General solution contain the solution set means like a general solution. The solution set means the general solution. The general solution means set of all the values, all possible values. How to write here? How we can write? The solution set of x is 0 plus or minus pi plus or minus 2 pi plus or minus 3 pi and so on. Is it clear? So the solution set or general solution of sin x is how to write n pi such that n belongs to an integer. Is it clear, guys, how to write the solution set of sin x here? Sin x is equal to 0. How to write solution set of sin x is equal to 0? Where x is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
pi. Where n belongs to z. Even this also you can write. X is equal to n pi is the solution set of sin x. But when it comes to principal solution of sin x is equal to 0. Between minus 92 plus 90, where your sin x is 0, x is equal to 0 radians. Yeah. Now I am giving, write the solution set of an equation cos x is equal to 0, tan x is equal to 0. Anyone? When cos x is equal to 0, cos x is equal to 0 if x is equal to, at what are the values cos x is 0, guys?
And 90 to
Plus or
70.
minus pi by 2, plus or minus 3 pi by 2. Look into here. If you are not clear, just try to recapitulate the graph. Y is equal to cos x. See the graph at this point, pi by 2, again 3 pi by 2. Here minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. Minus plus 5 pi by 2. So what are the values you are getting? 0 here, plus or minus 5 pi by 2. So how to write x is equal to, how we can write 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to an integer. This is a general solution of the cos x is equal to 0. Am I right or wrong, guys?
Yes, sir.
This is a general solution of cos x is 0. Or I can write the general solution. These general solutions we can consider as the standard statements. The general solution of cos x is equal to 0 is x such that x is equal to 2n plus 1 pi by 2, where n belongs to an integer. Same as for tan x is equal to 0. Anyone can explain tan x is equal to 0, general solution? Tan x is equal to 0, general solution. Principal value is very simple. The principal value is 0 radians. Cos x is equal to 0, principal value is minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Both the values I can repeat. That's the reason we are taking any one value, pi by 2. Yeah. Tan x is equal to 0. What is the principal value? 0 radians. What is the solution set? Solution set or general solution. What is the general solution of tan x is equal to 0, guys? Same as sine only, no? Am I right or wrong, guys? Same as sine. 0 plus or minus pi plus or minus 2 pi plus or minus 3 pi plus or minus 4 pi. So x such that x is equal to n pi, where n is an integer. This is the solution set of tan x is equal to 0. Is it clear? What is the solution set of tan x is equal to 0?
Yes, sir.
Now, if this equation belongs to some value, suppose if I am saying sin x is equal to 1 by 2, what is the general solution? How you will write? when you are getting 1 by 2. See here, look into here. So first we will see the graph to understand the solution straight away. At what are the values we are getting? Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2 means sin x is equal to 0.5. See here, 0.5 means this is a line between 0 and 1 midpoint. This is 1 point, that is at 30 degrees. Again, I am getting at 150 degrees. So within 0 to pi, there is a solution. Again, between 2 pi to 3 pi only solution is there. Because pi to 2 pi, there is no solution. Pi to 2 pi, there is no solution because I am clearly saying sin x is equal to 1 by 2. Sin x is equal to 1 by 2. So how I can discuss in this case? Suppose if I am saying sin x is equal to k, write the general solution of this equation. How you will write? So for particular angle of x, the value is coming k, where k should be in between -1 comma +1. Then only you can able to explain the general solution. For a particular value of alpha, you are getting k. Correct? I'm writing, see here, the solution set of sin x. So I'm taking k is equal to sin alpha. So sin alpha, how many ways you can write? Sin alpha, how many ways you can write? See here, I'm getting between 0 to pi by 2, two values are there. Again, 2 pi to 3 pi, another value is there. Again, 4 pi 2, between pi to 2 pi, no values. And between, this is 2 pi line. 2 pi to 3 pi, there is there. 3 pi to 4 pi, nothing. So 0 to pi, the values are, two values are there. 2 pi to 3 pi, two values are there. Again, 4 pi to 5 pi, two more values are there. See, these are all are you have to collect. So one you are getting it. Yes.
Sir, why aren't we including 2 pi? Sorry, sir. 3 pi to 4 pi.
No, not 3 pi to 4 pi. 3 pi to 4 pi is negative values now. See here. 0 to pi, pi to 2 pi. So 0 to pi value is coming because it is positive. Again, next positive is coming when to when? 2 pi to 3 pi. So 3 pi to 4 pi, no values again. Again, 4 pi to 5 pi only is coming. Correct? So when you are getting 0 to pi, one value is alpha, another value is 180 minus alpha. Between pi to 2 pi, nothing. Again, 2 pi to 3 pi, how much? 2 pi plus alpha, 3 pi minus alpha. Are you clear what I'm saying? Suppose if I'm getting k is equal to alpha, at alpha degrees I'm getting, again when you will get the alpha value 180 minus alpha, you will get the same value. Like if I'm taking 30, sin x is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to 30, again the value is repeating at 180 minus 30, that is at 150 you are getting. Again the same value you are getting at 2 pi plus 30 and 3 pi minus 30 you will get. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Got it? So
Yes, sir.
how I can write this solution? I am writing the solution of if sin x is equal to k, this k I am writing as sin alpha. So alpha, the k is either negative value or positive value based on that how I am taking. How I can write the solution set of sin x here? The solution set of sin x is equal to k, where k belongs to or modulus of k less than or equal to 1. Then only you can explain the sin x solution set. If k is more than 1, there is no solution set, correct? Because it's not defined more than 1. Is, how I can write? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n into alpha where n belongs to an integer, where alpha is the principal solution, where alpha is the, this is the important of the principal solution for us. Principal solution. Is it clear, guys, how I am writing? N pi plus minus 1 whole power n alpha. Suppose if I am taking sine x is equal to 1 by 2, the principal solution of 1 by 2 is sine pi by 6. So what is the meaning? It might be 0 plus pi by 6, pi minus pi by 6. What is the meaning of pi minus pi by 6? 1 pi into
150.
minus 1 power 1 into pi by 6. Again, when I am getting 2 pi plus pi by 6, let's see, 2 into pi plus minus 1 whole power 2 pi by 6. This is giving us 2 pi plus pi by 6. Again, I am getting 3 pi minus pi by 6. This is the same value repeating, 1 by 2 only. This is 3 pi, n pi plus minus 1 whole power 3 pi by 6. That is equal to 3 pi minus pi by 6. When next value is repeating? Next value is repeating 4 pi only, no? Between 4 pi to 5 pi, correct? 4 pi plus pi by 6. 5 pi minus pi by 6. Same as negative side also. Even I can take negative values also. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 I can take. Is it clear, guys, what I am trying to say? Students?
Yes, sir.
So this is the, you can refer as a formula. This is a general solution of if sin x is equal to some fixed value instead of 0. If I'm getting even this I can valid for 0 also. If I'm taking sin x is equal to 0, your alpha is 0. The principal solution of sin x is equal to 0, your alpha is becoming 0. Is it clear? What is the meaning of general solution? How the principal solution is useful here? Same as if I'm writing cos x is equal to k, find the principal solution. Sorry, find the general solution of cos x. Find the general solution of cos x. It's very simple. What are the values it is repeating? The solution set of, check whether I'm writing correct or not. The solution set of cos x is equal to k. K belongs to, or modulus of k must be less than or equal to 1, is 2n pi plus or minus alpha x, such that x is equal to 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where n belongs to z. This is the principal solution. That means cos x is equal to k. The principal solution of x is 2n pi plus or minus alpha, where alpha is the cos alpha. At what value of k this angle is coming? The principal solution of, where alpha is the principal solution of cos x is equal to k. Principal solution of cos x is equal to k. So I'm just trying to prove. Instead of proving with variables, it will be easy to understand you because the proofs are not required for you. So cos x is equal to, I'm taking 60 degrees. That is nothing but cos pi by 3. This is 1 by 2. Cos x is equal to 1 by 2. That is equal to cos pi by 3. So the principal solution is 1 by 2. So I am taking the graph for this. See here, I'm taking the cos x, I'm taking 60 degrees. 60 degrees means somewhere here. If I'm zooming, might be I can get 0.4 pi by 3, pi by 3. 2.5 means 1 by 4. 0.3. What is the meaning of pi by 3 in and around? Yeah, it's better to take. Yeah. See, this is cos. How it is repeating here? What are the values? Suppose if I am taking this value, it is repeating again here. It is repeating in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Or you can take, see here, 1.5 to 2.5. 1.5 to 2.5 means what? 1.55 means 270 degrees to again 320 plus 90. Or it is minus 92 plus 90. Minus 92 plus 90. 0 to pi, the principal value. Between 0 to pi, the principal value. Whatever the value is repeating here, the same values are repeating again. The graph between 0 to pi, the same graph is again between minus pi to 2 pi. See here, it is coming here again. It is starting with negative values to the positive values. So unique values are available between 0 to pi for cos. Suppose if I am taking cos 90 degrees, for example, 90 is repeating here, again plus 1 is repeating here. Again it is repeating at 3 pi, again it is repeating at 4 pi. At pi, 3 pi and all, at pi at 3 pi it is negative 1. So how I can write here? Cos x is equal to pi by 3, how I can write here? It is, suppose if I am taking pi by 3, it is 0 plus pi by 3, again it is coming 2 pi minus pi by 3. Again it is coming 2 pi plus pi by 3, again it is coming 4 pi minus pi by 3. So this is represents in first quadrant, this is represented in fourth quadrant, again this is first quadrant, this is represented in fourth quadrant. Again next value is 4 pi plus pi by 3, this is represented in first quadrant. So 4 pi, 6 pi minus pi by 3. This is representing fourth quadrant. Because cos is positive only possible in two quadrant, either 0 plus that 60 degrees or 360 minus 60 degrees, only the possible value is 1 by 2. That's the reason it is 2n pi. 2n pi, how I am writing? 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3. Here. 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3, where n belongs to any integer. That's the reason this is a solution set of cos x is equal to 1 by 2. If I am taking different n values, if I am taking n is equal to 0, I will get 0 plus or minus pi by 3. If I am taking n is equal to 1, 2 pi plus or minus pi by 3. If I am taking n is equal to 2, 4 pi plus or minus pi by 3. If I am taking 4 pi plus, it will comes under first quadrant. If I am taking 4 pi minus, it will comes under fourth quadrant. So cos is positive both in first and fourth quadrant. Is it clear, guys? Now, why I am writing if cos x is equal to cos x is equal to k, the general solution of cos x is equal to k. The general solution of cos x is equal to k, where k belongs to R and k modulus of k is less than or equal to 1 is 2n pi plus or minus alpha. N belongs to Z. Alpha is principal solution of cos x is equal to k. Understand how this equation I can consider as the general solution of cos x? Is it clear, guys? Suppose if I am giving straight away with the help of this one to understand. Suppose if I am giving cos x is equal to root 3 by 2. So at what value you are getting root 3 by 2? This is equal to cos pi by 6. So the general solution of given equation is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6. Simple. Suppose if I am giving cos x is equal to 1 by root 2. The general solution of given equation is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 4. This is how we can write with the help of these statements. So the same statement we are going to prepare for tan x, sin square x, cos square x, tan square x. That is enough to do any kind of numericals up to JEE mains level. So in next class, we are going to wind up this chapter. So we are going to discuss the general solution of tan x, sine square x, cos square x, tan square x, and at least a few numericals over this. That's it. That's the end of the trigonometry with the trigonometric equations. Anyone having any doubts can ask, or we can wind up the session. Guys, anyone having any doubt? You understood, guys, how to write the general solution? What is the difference between general solution and principal solution from this class? The main agenda is at least I have to introduce what is exact meaning of solution of the equation in any situation, what is meant by general solution of trigonometric equation, and what it differs from the principal solution. Is it clear? Students, please.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, can you tell how are you writing cos root 3 by 2 as cos pi by 6?
Yeah, root 3 by 2 means what? When we will get, for what value we are getting root 3 by 2?
No, sir, if we don't know, like now, since we know that cos root 3 by 2 is 60, we are telling it will be equal to pi by 6. But
They will
if
give
we
only
don't know,
standard values, man. Don't think. They will give only standard values. You don't worry about that one.
okay.
They, as of now, till engineering level, when you are writing the solutions, they will give only standard values. Like they will give the equations with only 0, 1 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 with negatives. That's it. They will give like this only. These four values: 0, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1. These 5 values only they will ask for us. If not, for example, sir, other than standard values, if they are giving means definitely it will go some other Cambridge syllabus or IAC syllabus. Because in IAC and Cambridge syllabus, they are using the scientific calculator, or they have to provide trigonometric tables, angle tables they have to provide, then only can able to solve. That's the reason, for exam point of view, they won't give, they have to give some extra data, then only can able to write cos of that value. Suppose if I'm giving, instead of root 3 by 2, I'm giving my own value, cos x is equal to some 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is not a standard angle, correct? Then they have to give at what cos x value 1 by 4 is giving, the respective angle they have to mention there in bracket or as a hint. Then only you can able to solve. Otherwise, it will comes under out of the syllabus Madhuri, I can say. They have to provide either a table or they have to provide a calculator. Other boards, they are using the scientific calculator, but CBSE and state board, we are not allowing the calculator. As of now, my knowledge, even up to JEE mains also, when they are dealing with the trigonometric equations, they never got any other values. Got it, Raghav, what I'm saying?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you don't worry. Any problem you face, you please let me know.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. We'll meet in next class, guys. Bye, everyone.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.